हॅलो मुलांना, आपण ॲडिशन ऑफ पॉलिनॉमियल्स बघितलं. देन वी सॉ subtraction of polynomials. Then yesterday we saw multiplication, and today we are going to see division of polynomials. See the example: x square minus 3x minus 10 divided by x plus 2. First point out the numerator and denominator. X square minus 3x minus 10 is numerator, x plus 2 is denominator. We are exploring this example by long division method. In long division, numerator is set under the division symbol and denominator is set outside of the division symbol. Now see how the division process is carried out here. You have completed this in previous year actually. First we consider x square. We have to divide x square by x. Which is extra term? X is the extra term. So put the answer above x. Now multiply x by x plus 2. You have to multiply it in rough work. Whatever multiplication, write here and subtract. This is the multiplication of x square plus 2x is the multiplication of x and x plus 2. As we are subtracting, we have to change the signs of new polynomial x square plus 2x. Next answer is minus 5x. How comes? The original sign of 2x is plus. As we are subtracting it from the upper polynomial, it will be changed to minus 2x. Minus 3x minus 2x will be minus 5x. Now write next minus 10. Now we have to minimize 5x. First write the sign of it, minus, above in the question place. Then again multiply minus 5 by x plus 2 and write the answer below. As again we are subtracting, change the signs of the new polynomial minus 5x minus 10 and carry out the subtraction. The answer will be 0. Now this is again next one more example. 2x square minus 5x minus 1 is divided by x minus 3. Look at the solution. First we have to divide 2x square by x. The answer is 2x. Write it on the upper side. Multiply 2x by x minus 3. Write down the multiplication below. As we are subtracting, we have to change the signs. The answer will be 1x plus 1x and minus 1. Again 1 is extra, so write it on the question part. Again multiply plus 1 by x minus 3. Multiplication x minus 3, subtract x minus 3 from 1x minus 1 and the answer will be 2. 2 will be the remainder. Okay. Here again one more example. X raised to 6 plus 2x raised to 4 plus 6x minus 9 upon x cube plus 3. Here x raised to 5 term is missing, x square is missing. So whichever terms are missing, we have to put 0 as a coefficient for those terms. But we must write those terms because further in this process we need to write these terms. Look, x raised to 6 and x raised to 3. Extra part is x raised to 3. Multiplication is done. X raised to 6 plus 3x cube. Okay. 0x cube plus 3x cube. Write the terms under similar terms or like terms. Don't write here and there. Write remaining terms as well. Now we have to minimize 2x raised to 4. Again write extra term. Again do multiplication, subtraction. Same procedure will follow until last term is taken. Okay. Now you have to complete the questions given here. Let us see one by one. We are not solving these more than the questions which have more than one variable, x plus y. We are not going to solve this. We are only going to solve the questions which have only one variable, x or y, whichever it is. If you find any question having two variables, then skip it. Solve only those questions which have only one variable. Click on the first one. You will find the question and 4 options. Okay. Once you solve this, click on the next question. Again solve this in your textbook. Here the answers are given. Don't opt for these answers. Don't choose from these answers. Only you have to solve the questions in your notebook and send me the pics. Okay, because these answers are given in another format, different format. Solve only 10 questions. If you find, now this third question, it has two variables, x and y, so don't go for this question. Only solve those questions which have single variable. Okay, let us stop here.